Hello everybody, today I'm at Orchard Road, the heartbeat of Singapore shopping. There's lots of malls here. And today I'm not like going to explore the malls, but I'm just going to walk through some of the interesting stuff. And like for example, the Ion in front, Wisma Atria and Takashimaya. I'll be walking from the Orchard MRT side to the Somerset area. So let's go. I'll go to the underpass to the Ion shopping mall, and by the way, there's a real lot of place here. Very nice. Ion, Singapore's top skyline on Orchard Road. Lots of people today, even though it's a weekday. And so many shops here, Sephora, Bath and Body Works. And there's an Orchard MRT linking to this Ion Mall, man. It's just, wow, shopping paradise for locals and foreigners alike. I'll show you guys something. You know, besides the money changer, right? Let's say go to the Taka. Wow. I went to the underpass to get to this side because that side there is no like traffic light, you know. So this is the Ion. And opposite is the Shaw House. And from here I got to turn right. Wow, look at that. Dior, Tiffany & Co. And you know the temple looking structure on the left side is actually called the Tang's House. Look at that. It's like so old already, right? But it's a very iconic landmark in Singapore. I mean in Orchard Road. Prada Burberry is in front. I didn't know Fujifilm and some kind of roadshow, man. Lots of foreigners that have come here because it's everyone, I mean they research online, right? If they're first time coming, you know that they heard that Orchard is shopping paradise. So they just come and check it out and they'll not be disappointed. There's so many malls here. And this way, another about 600 meters, we'll reach the Somerset MRT where there are more malls. And there's somewhere I want to go today to explore the Singapore's richest neighborhood. And you can see a lot of ice cream being sold in Orchard. You call it ice cream uncle. So basically it's like the ice cream, right? Sandwiched between two loaves. There you have it. Many people just buy the ice cream and sit around here. There are benches to rest. Hey, there's a Super Mario Galaxy. Sugoi desu ne. A Mario. That's why all the cartoon characters, they will never get old, man. Oh. The famous Ngee Ann City Takashima by Star Hill Global Real Estate Investment Trust. Oh. So this is the main entrance of Takashimaya. Many shoppers shop there. There's an interesting food section in the basement one, I mean. Alright, this is another tower of Ngee Ann City. They are divided into a few blocks. It's a nice mountain here. You know, during the Christmas, they actually have like some kind of festival here. And it's also a very famous photo taking spot. Hello everybody, today I'm at Orchard Road. I'm going to show you guys where the rich people live near Orchard. So let's go. This is the Takashimaya area. And we are right in the heartbeat of Singapore shopping, which is the Orchard Road area, and this way the leads to Somerset MRT and some of the malls. Along the way we see interesting people, interesting buildings and interesting stuff. So let's go. You know, in front there's an ice cream uncle. You know. In fact, in Orchard Road, there are a few uncles selling ice cream. And a lot of locals and foreigners, they like it, they love it, and they queue. So, one ice cream costs $3 here. Basically, you take a look. This ice cream is sandwiched between like two pieces of rainbow colorful bread. Right in front there's a queue. I think the price is reduced. It's $1.50 now. It's $2. Oh, look at this mall, man. It's so tall. And you know, there's so many shops, Remova, Max Mara, Boss. But there's a slope here, just be careful here. I'm walking. Space for older people. I wonder why there's a slope. Yesterday I was in Redhill area, the whole bus chain is slanted, man. It was because it's built on the reclaimed land. Wow, opposite there's a Courts and an Apple store. Oh, Mandarin Gallery is here. One of the biggest Victoria's Secret here, the right side. And the special event Eco Shop House until the 3rd or 4th of April. Basically, they build a lot of stuff. This is a retail site. They sell stuff, but after you cross the road, right? Over there, right? You can climb up level 2. There's actually a shop house. I went there like a few days ago. Everything is made from Lego. Look at the building opposite, man. It's actually known as the Orchard Building. And I think opposite are building some condos or malls. And right here we have the Signature. The mall last time is very popular with the youngsters. And they come in to watch movie at the top floor. And that was the Long John Silver, I can recall. But then nowadays, it's just become one of the old malls. But actually not so old. I think it's like built in the 1990s. There are even like older malls built in the 1970s. Like the Singapore Shopping Centre in Dhoby Ghaut, City Plaza, at Paya Lebar. And so many old malls. You know, the thing with old malls is that firstly you can kind of smell. It's quite dirty. And here we have Richscape, SCAP. It's actually one of the U parks in Singapore. There's another cool mall and retail space right here at 111 Somerset. Many people know 313 Somerset, but they seldom come here, right? So it's nice that you guys know now. We're moving forward. Yeah, lots of nice restaurants here. I saw the Great Nanyang, Da Nanyang. It serves some kind of Chinese food there. Pan Pacific Hotel. Wow, 5-star hotel, man. Very nice. 313 Somerset is just opposite from where I'm standing. And from there, link to the Somerset MRT. Actually, lots of interesting buildings over there, man.